Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So enjoy this nice view.
Yeah. This is nice. Got my breakfast right here. Got the last mountain today as well. The entire place to yourself, all the time, every time, everywhere. Well, I can tell you, it is such a burden to have all of this exclusivity. I almost believe that myself. Feels good to be the king, man. We take y'all on a tour to Rotterdam. What? I mean Tongyong. And here is my dragon, cause I'm about to summon Shenron. Yeah. So straight up doing this last hike in casual clothes, cause like I'm done, man. Just one more hike. It's the last mountain. Look at this ejection. Sneakering this way through. Let's enjoy this view together. We made it to the last peak. Mireuksan. And here is the money shot. Oh yeah. Ow! Es mi vida loca. Es mi vida loca. Look at this yellow glow on the water. Oh my god. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh, I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave because it looks so good out here. Let me get in the shot because it always looks better with me in the shot. Ah, you're welcome. And with the conclusion of Tongyong today with Mireuksan, our journey of looking for the Dragon Balls has come to an end successfully. I have done 10 hikes, 10 mountains in 9 days, and I have survived. So that is super nice. Hey! Finished all these hikes and the toe is still infected. Okay. And surprise, surprise, the other one is getting infected as well. So anyway, I did my 10 hikes in 9 days successfully across Korea with the infected toe from the start.